Hi, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Today I'm going to give you my honest review on Lil Helper's overnight breast pads. So in another video I touched on their daytime breast pads, and now I'm going to show you what I really think about the overnight breast pads. So here we go. So your baby starts sleeping through the night, and that's like one of the best feelings you've experienced in the longest time ever, except for the fact that you're engorged and you're just a leaky mess. But anyway, seriously, these are the overnight pads from Lil Helper. As you can see, they have the cute pattern on the back, and this is the waterproof layer. So this is when you put it in your bra. This will be the side that goes out this way, and that will prevent moisture from coming out. They have a couple layers of absorbent bamboo. And then this blue layer is a wicking material, and it's also made of bamboo, and that's what will leave you staying dry, so it will wick away any moisture. These are a little bit thicker than the daytime breast pads. They are overnights, so it makes total sense. I'll show you just the difference. Can you see that? Anyway, they're a little bit thicker, but they do also have an extra layer or two. I'm not quite sure how many more layers they have. And they're also bigger. So you can see that. That's the daytime one, and this outer one is the nighttime one. They really do absorb more than the daytime ones. They have a little bit more coverage. Great for overnight. I have not had a leak with these on. One of these questions that people always ask is, are you leaky? Do you leak a lot? I don't know how we measure how leaky we are. Do I leak when I hear baby crying? Unfortunately, yes. Do I leak when baby should be feeding and she's sleeping? Again, yes. If I know I'm going to be out and about all day, then I don't want to be worrying about my breast pads. I wear these all day, and they're totally good. At the end of the day, you can feel that they're heavier. You can feel that they've absorbed milk. What's also great about these breast pads is that you can just throw them in your regular wash. So to summarize, would I recommend this product? 100% yes. Once again, they are so good. These are such a great gift.